So today we have a new IEM called CASTOR Pro X Improved Base version. So first of all, these IEMs are a collab between KZ and AUDIOCULAR. So these IEMs come with a Type-C and some refreshed box content inside. So we'll have a look at this. And just in case you have your original CASTOR or CASTOR Pro, then I also have this Type-C cable from KZ. So you can also use this cable to upgrade your own IEMs, or you can also get a DAC with a Type-C DAC like this AUDIOCULAR D7. So we'll also see that which one is a better option, like upgrading the original IEMs with a new cable or just getting a DAC. So we'll just cover everything in this video. So when you will open the box, you have the same old CASTOR Pro inside, and what I'm interested in is actually the accessory. So you have some extra pair of ear tips, and these are not those regular silicone ear tips. It feels like some sort of it's liquid silicone ear tips because these are not completely dry. They have some sort of a sticky feeling to it, and also the tips are transparent with some blue tint on the inside. When it comes to the cable, so these IEMs come with white colored cable, definitely better looking one than those brown colored cables, and also they come with an inline microphone. Then what you have is this pin to tune the switches and some regular paperwork, and that's all what you get in the box. Okay. So we'll straight away start with the key differences. So first of all, if you look at your Pro X or CASTOR Pro, if you look at the faceplate, you won't be able to find difference between these two IEMs. It's the same color, same design, and same build quality everywhere. But if you will turn your Pro X to this particular side, so here you will find your KZ logo, and on the other IEM you will find your AUDIOCULAR logo. So from this you come to know that these are actually the collab IEMs. But if you look at the Pro, so you won't find any sort of logos or prints on these particular sides. The next difference actually comes in the ear tip. So I've already shown you that the Pro X version actually comes with these liquid silicone ear tips with blue tint on the inside, and the other kind of ear tips you get with these IEMs is these foam type ear tips. So you get one pair of foam type ear tips and plenty of pair of these liquid silicone ear tips, while on the Pro you just have your regular silicone ear tip. So that's the second difference. The third difference actually comes in the cable. So if you pick up your old cable that came with a 3.5mm connector and also this new cable that is coming with a Type-C connector, so material and build quality of both these cables are exactly the same. It's just the difference in the color. But let's say you're picking up this particular cable, which is this upgraded Type-C cable from KZ. So if you look at the Type-C connector, so the original cable that is coming directly from KZ actually has this KZ logo on the connector, while the cable that you're getting with Pro X doesn't have any sort of KZ logo on the connector. So you can say this is kind of a third difference. Apart from that, when it comes to technical specifications, it's all the same between these two IEMs. Same impedance, same sensitivity, and same 10+10mm driver combination. So we are not going too deep into that. Okay, now let's start with tricky part of the video. So let's say you are already exploring into this world of IEMs and you have already made up your mind to go for the CASTOR Pro, and now Pro X came out. So which one to go for, whether Pro X or Pro? So first of all, Pro X is at present selling at 1990 and Pro is selling at 1849. So there is like 150 rupees of price difference between the two variants. So let's say you are getting your IEM and maybe it is like the first and the last IEM you are going to buy. You're not that enthusiast and you don't want to pursue further in this hobby, and you want something that works very like straight to the point. You plug your IEMs in the phone and it works well, sounds well. So you should definitely go for the X variant. It's not a bad choice. But let's say you are someone who is an enthusiast who want to dive deep into this hobby, so you should go for the 3.5mm version and combine it with a regular DAC like the AUDIOCULAR D7, which is going to offer you slightly superior audio quality. Also, I want to mention that if you're getting this particular Type-C cable from KZ or you're getting this AUDIOCULAR X, company hasn't specified the kind of DAC chip it is using inside. It is simply a DAC that they have mentioned on their website and everywhere. But if you're getting a dedicated DAC like this AUDIOCULAR D7, so it clearly mentions the chip it is using inside, and also the sampling rate, like on the D7 you have the 32-bit 384,000 Hz of sampling rate. So definitely it is like one of the very solid choices. Also, I want to mention that if you're getting a Type-C dongle DAC, so in future you are getting any IEMs with a Type-C connector, they all will be compatible with this DAC. So these are few of the things that you should keep in mind, and I think that's all with the video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any queries or doubts, make sure to ask me in the comment section below. Thank you so much.